5 time management tips. Do you sometimes feel like you don't have enough time to complete everything on your to-do list? If that's the case, you might need to follow these useful tips for time management to help you be successful. Tip number 1. Learn to say no. This may be the biggest tip that can actually save you the most amount of time. When people ask you to do things that you know will take a long time, you should probably say no. Of course, you can't always do this, but sometimes it is better to say no in the first place, rather than let someone down. Tip number 2. Keep a time diary. A time diary is a place where you can keep track of all the things that you do in your life. You should do this for a period of 1 week. When you do this carefully, you will soon understand where you are spending your time, including where you are getting distracted by time wasters such as television. Tip number 3. Get super organized. These days, the best way to get organized is by using a computer. By having the different parts of your life listed in various computer folders, and by using calendars and contact lists, it is easily possible for you to stay on top of your life. Tip number 4. Make a to-do list for each week. Many people make a to-do list for one day. This includes a list of tasks that need to be achieved. The problem is that sometimes days are missing, so it is easy to miss important tasks. Therefore, it is better to create a weekly to-do list, which clearly shows what needs to be done by the end of the week. Tip number 5. Do 2 things at once. Doing 2 things at once is called multitasking. For example, when you drive your car, you can listen to audiobooks to save time on reading. While you watch television, you might also chat to your friend online. Multitasking saves time. Just make sure you do it safely.